I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto Alfredo sauce, full guide. Start by melting butter and gently sautéing garlic until fragrant, then add cream and simmer to reduce slightly. Whisk in grated Parmesan and warm pesto, adjusting salt and pepper to taste. Finish with a squeeze of lemon for brightness and a splash of pasta water to loosen the sauce, tossing with hot pasta until glossy and well-coated. Gather ingredients first so cooking flows smoothly. Butter, garlic, heavy cream, grated Parmesan, jarred or fresh pesto, lemon, salt, and pepper. Chop garlic finely and warm the cream gently to prevent scorching. Keep pasta water nearby and have your pasta cooked al dente for optimal sauce cling. Taste and adjust seasoning with lemon or salt, adding more pesto if you prefer a stronger basil profile. Serve immediately for best texture. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help us make more recipes you love. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep and leftover sauce storage effortless and keep pesto Alfredo fresh for lunches. I found them super handy in the kitchen and thought you might too, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control temperature to keep the sauce smooth and avoid breaking it. Low and slow is best. Whisk in cheese gradually to create a glossy emulsion, and use reserved pasta water a tablespoon at a time to reach the desired viscosity. Taste frequently for seasoning balance between salt, acid, and herb intensity. Finish with fresh herbs or cracked black pepper, and serve with your favorite pasta for a comforting, restaurant-quality dish at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.